So you got your Popeyes turkey. It says that it's pre-cooked, but what do you do next? Today, we'll go step by step through how to reheat a Popeyes Cajun-style turkey. Plus, we'll take the turkey drippings and make a gravy that is for sure fire. So let's go.
First, let's make sure our turkey is completely thawed. There are two methods you can use to defrost the turkey. If you want to use the first method, plan ahead, because your turkey will need to thaw in the refrigerator for 72 hours. The next method is to fill a container with cold running water. Then completely submerge the turkey in the container and under the running water for the entire thawing process. Make sure your faucet is fully turned on and do not allow any portion of the turkey to rise above 40 degrees Fahrenheit when thawing. Once defrosted, the turkey must be heated and consumed within 3 days. It's time to cook your turkey. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now remove the outer layer of packaging, then place the turkey on a rack in a large roasting pan and remove the inner layer of packaging, reserving the juices. Be sure to save as much juice as possible. Next, cover with aluminum foil, forming a tight seal around the edges of the pan. Now place the turkey on the lowest rack in the oven and reheat for 1.5 hours. Once time is up, remove the foil and cook for an additional 30 minutes uncovered. Continue reheating until the internal temperature reaches 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Measure this by sticking a meat thermometer in the thickest part of the breast. Once your turkey reaches temperature, let rest for 20 minutes. While it's resting, we'll have plenty of time to make our gravy. First, collect the pan drippings in a bowl. Allow the drippings to settle, then, using a fat separator or a spoon, carefully separate the fat from the broth. Now strain the broth, then in a saucepan, cook the separated broth over medium heat until it comes to a gentle boil. In a separate pan, melt the turkey fat or butter over medium heat. Gradually whisk in the all-purpose flour to create a smooth paste known as a roux. Continue cooking and stirring the roux until it turns a light golden brown color. As always, ingredients and exact amounts can be found in the description below this video. Once the broth is boiling, gradually whisk in the roux until there are no lumps. Now reduce the heat to low and let the gravy simmer, stirring continuously until it thickens to your desired consistency. To darken the gravy a bit, add a touch of browning sauce. You can add salt and pepper according to taste, but with Popeyes turkey juices, you probably won't need it. Now that we've made our gravy, our Popeyes Cajun turkey is ready to eat.
All right, folks, there you have it. That's how you prepare a Popeyes Cajun-style turkey. I must confess, I didn't follow the instructions exactly. When I took it out after 30 minutes of cooking uncovered, it didn't quite look ready to me, so I probed it, and it wasn't quite up to temperature. So in my oven, it took an extra 15 minutes. And since it took an extra 15 minutes, I decided to go ahead and baste it so it wouldn't dry out. And it looked great, and it smelled great. And so let's taste this and see how we did. Those Cajun flavors are just so deeply embedded within the meat. It's within every bite. As I was cutting it up, it was just so easy and so tender to cut up that I just pulled it apart. So it tastes great. I knew it was gonna taste great. It's fire. If you've never had one, I recommend you get one. If you don't have time to order one, I got the recipe for you. Check out my Popeyes Cajun-style turkey-inspired recipe. It'll get you close, and it is fire. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can be notified when new videos drop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. My recipe is close.